PJ, this is for you, honey.
Woo! Take it away, boys.
Well, it was all that I could do to keep from crying. Sometimes it seems so useless to remain. You don't have to call me darling, but darling, you never even called me by my name. But you don't have to call me Waylon Jennings, and you don't have to call me Charlie Pride, and you don't have to call me Merle Haggard anymore. Even though I'm on your fighting side, and I'll hang around just as long as you will let me.
Let me.
And I've never minded standing in the rain. You don't have to call me darling, darling. You never even called me by my name. Well, I've seen my name a few times in your phone book.
Hello, hello, hello.
I've seen it out on the signs where this band plays. But the only time I know I see David Allen Coe is when Jesus has his final judgment day. Now I'll hang around as long as you will let me.
Let me, let me, let me.
And I've never minded standing in the rain. You don't have to call me darling, darling. You never even called me by my name. This song was written by Steve Goodman and John Prine. A lot of people don't know that John Prine had a hand in this song, but he did. The late, great John Prine. And Steve Goodman thought it was the perfect country and western song, so he sent it to David Allen Coe. And David Allen Coe sat down and read it and disagreed with him, saying it was not the perfect country and western song because there's nothing in this song about mama, getting drunk, trucks, trains, or prison. So he sent a letter back to Steve Goodman, and Steve Goodman sat down and wrote that last verse and sent it back to David Allen Coe. And David Allen Coe liked that last verse so much he put on one of his albums. And that last verse goes a little bit like this here. Well, I was drunk the day my mom got out of prison, and I went to pick her up in the rain. But before I could get to the station in my pickup truck, she got run over by a damned old train. Now I'll hang around as long as you will let me.
Let me, let me, let me.
And I've never minded standing in the rain. You don't have to call me darling, but darling, you never even call me. I wonder why you don't call me. Why don't you ever call me by my name? Oh yeah.
Big Al, y'all put your hands together for Big Al.
Everybody.
House of the Rising